Hi, Shantal. Thank you. A very interesting presentation, and obviously representing a lot of work that went into that. With the various plant volatiles that you're looking at and potentially looking for a attractant for Vespa velutina, are you able to, do you think you will be able to find something that is particularly selective for Vespa velutina? Because otherwise, a lot of these volatiles will also be attractive to many, many other insects as well. But is there hope for a selective product?
Oh, okay. We are testing right now all the volatile compounds in all the plants that we see the Vespa velutina. But at the same time, we were working in other works related with the volatile composition in living hornets. And in this case, we have detected very similar compounds, even the same compounds, such as the case of nonanal and farnesene. Both compounds were found in the Vespa velutina, living Vespa velutina, and in different plants, not only in one, in several. So for this reason, I said that the next step is testing these compounds in living individuals of Vespa velutina. And I expect found some compounds that maybe can work in like a bait, especially in the trapping method, because until to this date, it's very there is not any bait specific to trap Vespa velutina. So maybe found some compounds that can make this specific attract is a very good goal.
Thank you.
More questions?
Okay, you have said that the different plants and the velutinas have the same volatiles, but do you think that the proportion of different volatiles that velutina produce can differ depending on the vegetation of the site?
Okay, I'm not sure about this because, as I said, we're going to keep with this study, but I know that the volatiles of the plants depend a lot of the presence of different insects. So depend of the, for example, if one plant is feeling attacked by, for example, Vespa velutina, is going to how do you say, to produce some compounds different that in other times. So to know this, we need to make the next to continue this study. I don't know if I answered your question.
Yes, I think that there is no answer now, or
okay.
There is no specific answer. Yeah.
Hello, and good work. Two questions in the same direction as the questions before. As we know, these plants are visited by other insects, like order Neuroptera and other orders very important in the field. And the question is, this kind of volatiles we can use to repeal, or to aggregate the Asian hornets. What do you think about that? Or what the works can help us about thinking that? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the question. I'm going to say the same thing, that we need to keep studying these effects. But of course, this plant is visiting for a lot of insects different to Vespa velutina. The question is check these compounds with Vespa velutina in different conditions to see the different attraction of these different compounds, because there are a lot of compounds. But we don't know until now, because we need to check. But the unique thing is that some of them are sharing by both those, the plants and the Vespa velutina. So we're going to start testing these compounds who are in Vespa velutina in this plant. And these plants even are visited by other insects, but with by Vespa velutina too. And this makes this plant a special plant for Vespa velutina. Or this is the base of this, the next step.
Thank you, Shantal. More questions or comments? No? So thank you very much, Shantal.
Okay.